To order a Lyft in advance, start by opening the Lyft app on your mobile device and setting your pickup location by typing in the address where you want to be picked up or selecting it from the map. Next, select the type of ride you want to take from the options available such as Lyft or Lyft Premier, and then choose the time you want to be picked up by tapping on the Set Pickup Time option and selecting the desired time from the calendar. You can schedule a ride up to 30 days in advance, but keep in mind that the availability of drivers and prices may vary depending on the time and location of your pickup. Once you have selected your pickup time and location, review your ride details to ensure everything is correct, including the type of ride and the estimated cost of the trip. If everything looks good, tap the Request Lyft button to confirm your ride and you will receive a notification when your driver is on the way to pick you up. It is also a good idea to track your driver in real time using the app to get an estimated arrival time and to see the location of your driver on the map. Additionally, you can cancel or modify your scheduled ride up to 30 minutes before the scheduled pickup time by going to the app and selecting the upcoming tab and then tapping on the Cancel or Modify button next to your ride. By following these steps, you can easily order a Lyft in advance and get to your destination on time and with minimal hassle. It is also important to note that scheduling a ride in advance does not guarantee that a driver will be available at the exact time you requested, but Lyft will do its best to match you with a driver as close to your requested time as possible. Overall, ordering a Lyft in advance can be a convenient and time-saving option for those who need to plan their transportation ahead of time, and with the right knowledge and preparation you can use this feature to get where you need to go with ease.